Today is an exciting day. We are back at Universal Studios because it's opening day. We're so excited to go ride the new rides, Secret Life of Pets, along with the Jurassic Park ride, because this will be Declan's first time going on that. So please join us on this experience. So we made it through the turnstiles. I think we're gonna head off to Secret Life of Pets. Our time is between 11:30 and 11:40, and it's 11:35 right now, so we'll make it just in time. And we're super excited to ride that, right, Declan?
Yeah.
We turned the corner. We're heading towards Secret Life of Pets, and there's Scooby-Doo. He's out meeting everyone. That's really smart that he's up on the van. Wave, say hi, say hi. Hi, Scooby. We're now inside the queue of Secret Life of Pets. This queue is absolutely amazing.
Guess it wasn't Katie.
Guess not.
Probably for the best. I mean, if she came home and saw all these puppies in her living room, she'd probably
Adopt all of them!
freak out.
Oh, right. She'd probably be upset. What you said.
Anyway, puppies. Snowball lives just down the hall that way. That's right. Just keep walking.
Next is Snowball's room.
You in the shirt. I dig you up. Who's your groom? Wow, you puppies smell like churros and popcorn. Man, you're making me hungry. Welcome to the secret lair of Captain Snowball. Although there are way more of you than anticipated, so I don't really know how much longer this lair is going to continue to be a secret. But before we... Wait a minute, what is that noise? Hey, you in the back. No chewing the furniture. See, this is the kind of thing that won't get you adopted.
Bye, everyone.
Hurry up, guys! We don't have much time until the pet store closes.
And in dog years, that's even less time.
Isn't this exciting, Max? I feel like I'm 2 and a half again.
Remember to listen to Snowball. It's something I never thought I'd say.
Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech junk. A fly is burning. You can go home now. You officially seen it all. Follow me, guys. I have to lose a single pup. I know it.
What are you filthy nuts doing here?
Wait, look, catch! No! Okay, good one, guys. Let me...
These rockets going to get us to the pedestal twice as fast.
Pause temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
And I think the ride just broke down because they turned on all the lights.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately we are experiencing technical difficulties with the ride, which will require us to discontinue boarding vehicles.
shouldn't work. What did I tell you? The pet store. Perfect place. What? Don't look at me like that.
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get a doctor looking like that. Now get your feet up first.
We made it. Was there any doubt? I mean, honestly, there should have been. This plan was crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time. Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that. Now get your feet up first. This is gonna be great. No time.
You're next. What do you say? You want to come home with us?
Yes! I love today! I am so happy for you! Remember, humans need lots of love and attention. They're pretty needy.
Oh, just wait till you spend the night in this thing. Oh, that's good.
You welcome, people. It's a celebration.
Yay, you did it! You sat there and watched stuff. You're a pet now.
We just got off Secret Life of Pets. Wow, that ride was so cool. I loved all the animatronics. It's definitely a different ride that we're used to at Universal because normally they have a lot of screens. This has a lot of animatronics. We had so much fun on that ride. Even though it broke down, they got it going, and so we were able to go through it. We thought we were going to have to exit the ride, but they actually fixed it and we were able to finish the ride. But that was so awesome. What did you think, Declan?
That was a really cool ride.
We'll try to maybe get back on it, but all the virtual lines are gone already, so maybe they'll open it up later and we can try to ride it again. I think we are going to head to the lower lot because as I was looking at the app yesterday was the pass holder preview, and at some point during the afternoon, Jurassic World hit 180 minutes. We want to ride it today, and we just looked at the app and it's right now at 90 minutes. So we either get in line now or we maybe wait till the end of the day and hope that the time maybe goes down, but I think we're just going to head down there, and if it's too long then maybe we'll head onto Transformers. The one thing Declan is super excited about is Super Nintendo World opening, and we heard it'll open sometime next year, and it's so awesome to actually see it and how they're progressing because they're building it pretty quickly. Now we're heading to Jurassic World. We're now in line for Jurassic World. It says it's a 90-minute wait, so Declan started a timer and we'll see if it actually does take 90 minutes. We're pretty much to the front now, and we waited about an hour 12.
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
We have a containment alert.
Safe zone.
Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please,
A security team is deployed. They will get you to safety.
Boeing Brady, the Indominus Rex escape. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control units are on their way. We have to find route now. But I think multiple things over here. Set these animals off. Listen, if you can hear me, I've said help.
Is that fun? We just got off Jurassic World. Now we're heading to the studio tour. It says that it's a 90-minute wait, so I guess we'll time that one and see if that's accurate as well. So we just got on the studio tour. It actually only took us an hour 10, so not the 90 minutes that they were estimating.
Is made out of plywood or fiberglass, and it's painted to look like metal. We're using materials that are lightweight, easy to build with, easy to lift and transport. The main thing that we're concerned about is arranging a nice picture, of course, for our camera. So, oh no, the dinosaurs got loose again! There's spinners in the bushes, look out! Be careful back there! Oh. It's okay. It's alright, guys. If you got wet, it's just acid. Don't worry about it. No, of course it's not. The dinosaurs were fake, just in case you couldn't tell. So this beach town is designed to look more like maybe Cape Cod or Martha's Vineyard. We've got a little town across the water there. We've got, oh, look at that. Oh, there's a shark in the water. That is so cool. This is perfect timing. You're going to get great pictures. Now, we did have a diver out in the water. I don't see him in the boat, so he might still be out there. Well, something's happening. What's going on? Pete? Pete, are you out there? You Pete? Oh no. Okay. Oh, we're probably going to have to call that in. Don't panic, folks. We're safe here on the tram. I'm not sure what that was, but we'll figure it out. And in the meantime, We're gonna hang out next to these highly flammable gasoline tanks because that's not dangerous or weird. And now we can actually talk about these. Oh, hey, something's got a hold of the gear. Wow. Okay. That has to be big to do that. Oh. Okay, that's not good.
That's gonna do it for our fun day at Universal Hollywood. We got to ride 4 rides. We actually didn't record one of them. We went on Transformers. I got to ride my favorite ride, which was the studio tour. Declan didn't get to ride any of his favorite rides because unfortunately the Simpsons ride, Kung Fu Panda, and Minions are not running right now, and it's probably because it takes too much time indoors. And then there was a bunch of shows that aren't running, like Waterworld and the special effects show. I believe the only show that's running is the Animal Actors. But we had a fun time. We can't wait to come back. We'll probably be coming back a bunch now that they're open. We're also going to Disneyland on opening day, so we're super excited about that. I know this is a little bit different. I'm not very good at this. I tried my best. You're used to seeing Jed's face. But I hope you liked the video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you ring the bell below, you'll get notifications of all the future videos. As always, please be kind and be real, and join us on our next experience.